Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. The name is Flynn Rider. I'm almost there. Almost in. Whoa!
Who are you? Yeah! This is so fun! Thank you, Flynn. I should have believed you. This is just magical.
It is very special.
Hi guys! Today we're opening a bunch of amazing toys from the movie Tangled, featuring Princess Rapunzel. We have the fairy tale tower. And in this towel, Rapunzel has 5 rooms. It comes with Pascal and a super long hair extension, with secret compartments, a bedroom, a color-changing mural, and a kitchen. We also have the Happy Ever After gift set with Flynn Rider, Rapunzel, and Maximus. And we can't finish playing out the story without Rapunzel's boat to recreate the magical scene of the lanterns. Wow, Rapunzel's tower is absolutely beautiful. We open it up from the middle. Here's how it looks when it's open. Up here is Rapunzel's bedroom, and she has a really big window. We can place her bed over here and this little bench. What's that noise? Oh, we have Pascal hiding under her bed.
Aww.
What's that, Pascal? We have a hidden compartment here. In here? Ooh, we have a crown hiding here in this super secret compartment. We also have this little bookshelf for her bedroom with these little bottles. But where is Rapunzel? Let's get her out of the box. Here we have our beautiful Rapunzel doll. She's got beautiful long blonde hair, a crown, and her signature dress. She also came with this gold hairbrush and a pair of purple slippers. Oh, Pascal, I've been sitting up in this tower for 18 years. On the second floor of the tower, we have Rapunzel's art area. And we're gonna be able to paint this mural, just like in the movie. While Rapunzel spent most of her life locked up in the tower, she really enjoyed doing activities like painting. I think there's a spot right over here for my mural. The set came with a special paintbrush. But I think because it was in the box for so long, it got a little bit damaged. Let's dip our paintbrush in some water. It needs more color. It looks magical. Let's go downstairs and get something to eat. Maybe bake some muffins? Come on, Pascal, I'll meet you downstairs. Now for the kitchen area, we have some pots and pans. Does this one look familiar to any of you? Here is Rapunzel's kitchen. We have a chair and a table. We have some plates, some cups, and some juice. And this small lantern. What should I make today, Pascal?
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
It's Mother. I better let my hair down so she can climb up the tower. Come on. Now when Rapunzel lets down her hair, Mother can climb up the tower. The set came with this really long hair extension. It is really long. We clip it in place, and then Rapunzel can let down her hair and let Mother Gothel climb up the tower. And she can climb up Rapunzel's gold locks. Mother, can I ask you for just one thing?
What is it?
It's my birthday. Can I go see the lanterns?
Rapunzel, Rapunzel. Absolutely
Huh?
not. Rapunzel, dear, I'm going to the market and then I will be back.
Who's that coming?
The name is Flynn, Flynn Rider, and this royal horse Maximus. This tower looks like a great place to hide. I'm going to climb it. I'm almost there. Almost in. Whoa!
Who are you? Yeah! What is that? I will tie him up.
I didn't know anybody lived in this tower.
Well, I do. Rapunzel, you should check what he has in his bag. Great idea.
Wait, no.
He has a crown inside of his bag. I will not give this crown back to you unless you take me to see the lanterns.
You mean the lanterns the king and queen set up in memory of their lost daughter?
For some reason, the lanterns go up on my birthday each year. Rapunzel promised to give Flynn Rider the crown if he would take her to see the magical lanterns.
Oh, here we go.
This is so fun! Wow, this is just magical. Let's open up Rapunzel's boat. This boat is so amazing. We have Pascal, a row, and a beautiful lantern. And it's a perfect space for Rapunzel and Flynn. And that's not all. It has wheels, so it looks like the boat is moving. Thank you, Flynn. I should have believed you. This is just magical.
It is very special.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do more videos and more stories with this Rapunzel tower. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your BFF. See you guys next time. Bye-bye for now. Click on any of these pictures to see more awesome videos. Bye!